Hi Brad. I just want to show you how you can take your PowerPoint and turn it into a lecture. I'm using a tool called Camtasia, and it pulls the PowerPoint right into the recording program, and I can record right over the PowerPoint. So I'm going to do a demonstration for you. Now keep in mind the information that I'm sharing with you is information that I'm actually stealing from a website called therangersolution.com or something. So this is totally for demonstration purposes only. Okay, so let's start the demonstration here. So as a welder, now remember I'm pretending that I'm you. As a welder, I have found that over the years there are many people out there who can weld. Some went to school like you, some learned on their own in a garage somewhere, and some of those who say they can weld don't know welding very well at all. One of the things that I have found when looking to hire someone to do some welding for me is that many people who are welders don't know how to read welding symbols. So because of this, I thought I'd put together some information here that you will find very useful when you are going through and working with schematics and welding symbols. So this information will help you get started in understanding how to read welding symbols. All right, so the first thing we're going to talk about here is the reference line. Now the reference line is a line that is always a horizontal line, and all the required information is drawn on or around it. So you will always have a reference line in your welding drawings, and it must be placed on the drawing near the joint it describes. The arrow is the other required part of a welding symbol. So you have your reference line that's always required. The arrow is the other required part of a welding symbol, and it's placed at one or the other end of the reference line, and it connects the reference line to the joint that is to be welded. Often there are two sides to the joint to which the arrow points, and therefore two potential places for a weld. For example, when two steel plates are joined together in a T-shape. The tail is an indication of where the joint starts. Okay, Brad, I'm going to stop right here. I just wanted to give you some sort of indication as to what you can do. This is really a good resource for students. Remember, you're the expert in the field, and you can share your knowledge, and by putting it in a recording over a PowerPoint presentation, students can always refer back to this, so they always have the information and can go back and review and have it for future reference.